Gotta get up. Gotta get up. Huh? Gotta get up. Wait. You want to swing? You want to swing? Huh? Go get the broom out of the garage. Go get it. Good boy. Now go sweep out the swing. Yes, you can. You can do it. Go sweep out the swing. You can do it. Use both hands. Use both hands. Use both hands to sweep it out. There you go. Want me to help you? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Huh? Huh? Grandma. Grandmama.
Mama.
Grandmama.
Again.
Again?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Again?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Say yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. There you go. Now get in it so you can swing.
Again.
Again?
Yeah.
Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Okay.
Yeah.
That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Oh, you're doing so good. Clap for that baby. Clap for that baby. Clap for that baby. Good job. Good job. Okay, you can put the broom down now. Huh? That's nasty. That's nasty. You can put it down now. Put it up there. Put it up there. Hey, Jay. 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 Put it on the deck. Jay. 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 Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Thank you. Thank you, Jay. Huh?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Mama.